What, girls? Is that a stick? There's lots of them out here. Yeah, no trail walk for them yet. This one needs to be leash trained, probably. More, since my boys they're not on a leash. But Polly, she might run off in the forest, and I don't want to chase a dog. They're much faster than me. I'm like, they only let you catch them, really. Sniff, sniffs. Yeah. They like coming over, and because it's a nice big fenced in yard. And their yard's a good size for like a city yard. But here it's like, I'm from Phoenix. This is like a whole neighborhood's worth of yards in this one backyard from Phoenix. And Phoenix probably has bigger than other big cities. I mean, yeah, like New York has no yards. This is like 10 skyscrapers worth of yards. Sniffing the tree.